Hey everybody, it's Taz. Welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I just want to do an informal try on for you. I have assembled 3 wigs to show you today. I have specially curated these for those of you out there that love that short to mid-length wavy wig category. Let's get started. I purchased the featured wig styles with my own funds from Wig Studio One. You can find them there too. If you drop below the video, expand the description box. You can locate a link directly to these wig styles. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can check out all of the colors and the pricing. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. I think this grouping will be really fun for you today because if you like one, it's likely that you may really enjoy the others. And it's really nice to have options that you can transition to without being totally obvious. So these are true sister styles and from the same Ellen Wille family. What I'm wearing here is Ellen Wille Onda in the color Platin Blonde Shaded. I do have a review out there on this style. It is a short to mid-length curly style. It has a nice manageable fringe. It's rather smooth on the top until you break out into the curl, so I feel like it's really manageable. And that's one of the reasons why I love it so much. I have seen Onda with a variable curl pattern, some a little looser, some a little tighter. This one is kind of in between. Onda features a lace front and left monofilament side part. So Onda is undoubtedly the brainchild of 2 really beautiful other Ellen Wille styles. The first one is the girl mono I have sitting back here on mannequin O. And the second one might be a surprise to you, but I find that the layering is very similar, and that is the Ellen Wille Eclat in pearl blonde rooted. So as we move through this discussion, just know that I will be doing a side-by-side view of these as well. So let me show you the one that is most closely related to Onda, and I feel like that is Girl Mono, shown here in pearl blonde rooted, okay? So you can see where there's a lot of similarity. In fact, these 2 styles are very difficult to tell apart. Now wigs always look a little longer on the mannequin because they're so short and narrow, but I'll do a side-by-side on my face as well so you can get a sense of it. But the curl pattern is about the same. That is definitely not where the similarities end, of course. They both feature a lace front left monofilament side part. They both have a fringe piece that's about 6 to 6.5 inches that blends into the style nicely. That choppy wave. So what is the difference here? Well, I feel like the Onda has a little more of a graduated layering effect. You're going to get a little more fullness at the bottom. So the weight line on this Girl Mono is going to be a little heavier compared to some of the lighter, airier layers and graduated layers on the Onda. Okay, so where did Onda get these light, airy, graduated layers? I think she must have received them from Ellen Wille Eclat. This is a Part of Me collection. This wig belongs to a Part of Me collection. And this one is a hand-tied style. It's partially hand-tied. You've got a lace front, full monofilament top, hand-tied panels, integrated wefting, and this one also is a heat-friendly. That bang piece is very similar to these, and some of this graduated layering and a lighter feathery weight line at the bottom I think is very similar to the Onda. Onda's going to be a little curlier, of course, but I think they did borrow some of the characteristics of Eclat. Now, I want to point out something here real quick. So this is a heat-friendly style by Ellen Wille. And we all know that a heat-friendly style, the color is going to take differently on a heat-friendly style as opposed to a regular synthetic. So both the Onda and the Girl Mono are regular synthetic. The Eclat is heat-friendly. This Onda is in pearl blonde rooted, okay? Pearl blonde rooted is a medium to dark ash blonde with some platinum highlighting and a medium brown root, okay? This is also Pearl Blonde Rooted on the Eclat. Can you see how much warmer it is though? This one actually looks a lot like the Shaded Biscuit by Raquel Welch. Ironically, they're both heat friendly, right? But much warmer compared to this one. So these are both Pearl Blonde Rooted. This is heat friendly, this one is not. So that's just some of the difference that you can see. I like them both, but I do prefer this soft, creamy blend here on the Pearl Blonde Rooted on Eclat. So this was a grouping of 3 styles curated for the curl and the length, but also share some similarities. You should be able to get a lot of the same colors on these styles. I know the Onda, the Pearl Blonde Rooted, was just, that color was just expanded to Girl Mono recently, along with another blonde as well. So be sure to check that out at Wig Studio One. All of the links are below. But let's go ahead then and head into our side-by-side. I'm gonna do a spin for you, and then I'm just going to manipulate it a little bit so you can get a sense of these styles and which one might be for you. Maybe all 3 would be for you. I find that I jump from sister style to sister style. It's like me when I get hung up on a certain like ice cream flavor and I just can't put it down. This short to mid-length category is a beloved category for me. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.